Osmo Concrete Oil is a low-maintenance oil that enhances and protects your interior concrete, stone and unglazed tiles. For applications on larger projects such as floors, we recommend the Osmo Floor Roller Set with the system telescopic handle. To start, make sure the area is clean and dry and that you have done a test area. Then, open the tin and stir well, making sure you get into the corners. Working in manageable areas, apply thinly and evenly, working in one direction. If there is any excess on the surface, wipe it away using a lint-free cloth and leave to dry for around 8 to 10 hours. Between coats, the roller head can be securely stored in the Osmo Fresh Box whilst the project is drying. Then simply apply the second and final coat using the same technique as before. Again, if there's any excess on the surface, wipe it away using a lint-free cloth and leave to dry for around 8 to 10 hours. For smaller projects, use the Osmo application pad. Once stirred and decanted, load the pad and work off any excess. Apply in long, even strokes and always in manageable areas. Once done, again leave for 8 to 10 hours. Then simply apply your second and final coat. Remember, if there's any excess on the surface, wipe it away using a lint-free cloth. Easy. Further information on aftercare, cleaning and maintenance can be found on our website.